Everything you touch feels solid. Your phone, your hands, even your own body. But at the deepest layer of reality, nothing has a fixed place. Particles don't choose a single position. They don't even decide what they are until they are observed. This is not science fiction. This is quantum physics, the universe behind the universe. Welcome to Infinite Narratives. In everyday life, things are simple. A cup is on the table. You are in your chair. But inside, every atom is a different story. Electrons don't orbit like tiny planets. They exist as waves of probability. They are everywhere they could be, all at once. This is called superposition. An electron is not here or there. It is here and there until measured. The universe itself waits before making a decision. Scientists once fired single electrons at a wall with two tiny slits. When they weren't observed, the electrons created an interference pattern, as if each particle went through both slits at once. But the moment they watched which slit the electron passed through, the pattern vanished. Reality changed just because it was observed. Nothing else in science behaves like this. Now let's go deeper. When two particles interact, they can become entangled. Their properties stop belonging to them individually. They become one system, measure one, and the other changes instantly, even if it's on the other side of the universe. Einstein hated this. He called it spooky action at a distance. But experiment after experiment proves the universe really works this way. Here's the question everyone asks. Is it the measuring device that collapses reality, or the mind behind the measurement? Physics doesn't fully answer this, but one thing is certain. Before observation, reality is not fixed. After observation, it is. The universe behaves like it is waiting for interaction. If everything is fuzzy and uncertain, why does your world feel solid? Because trillions of particles average out. Quantum weirdness cancels itself at large scales. But deep inside you, your body is a storm of probabilities. You are not solid matter. You are a quantum process pretending to be stable. Some scientists think the universe never chooses at all. Instead, it splits. Every possible outcome happens in a different version of reality. One universe where you watch this video. Another where you didn't. Another where you stopped halfway. This is called the many worlds interpretation. And no one can prove it wrong. Behind every star, every planet, every thought is a world that refuses to settle. A universe where reality waits to be seen. This is Infinite Narratives. Subscribe for more cosmic truths.